security researchers just exposed a remote code execution vulnerability in vBulletin, a flaw allowing outside attackers to run arbitrary code on a server without needing any login credentials. This represents the standard playbook of cybercrime, exploiting web flaws to steal user data or gain unauthorized access to a platform's backend. But a new variant called ENC Forge, attributed to the Jade Puffer Group, has shifted its focus. It ignores traditional targets like credit card databases and office documents to hunt for .pt and .safety tensors files, the core weights and checkpoints of machine learning models. The industry assumes compromised models can be easily retrained as reproducible software, but this ledger shows recovery is rarely simple. Recreating a fine-tuned model requires original data and exact hyperparameters. Between thousands of cloud GPU hours and specialized engineering time, costs frequently exceed $200,000. Trained models represent massive capital investments. By targeting these weights directly, attackers are holding the most expensive parts of a company's R&D department hostage. Microsoft is currently reversing its long-standing strategy of building massive, general-purpose AI. The company is now focusing on lean, specialized models designed for specific defensive tasks. Their new model, MAI Cyber 1 Flash, achieves a 96% score on cybersecurity benchmarks. It manages this while using half the computational resources of a general model, effectively cutting its operating costs in half. The efficiency of this model comes from a data moat. Microsoft feeds the AI 100 trillion security signals every day from its global enterprise customers, training it to identify attack vectors before they are even fully deployed. Beyond the model itself, Microsoft is launching Project Perception, officially known as MDASH, to address coordination failures between human security teams. In many organizations, the red, blue, and green security teams operate in relative isolation. This multi-agent system facilitates real-time information sharing, so a vulnerability discovered during a penetration test can be converted into a production patch almost instantly. In this environment, the advantage belongs to the most specialized system that can defend its own infrastructure with minimal resource overhead. This shift is also creating a philosophical divide. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang recently helped form the Open Secure AI Alliance, a coalition of 37 companies dedicated to building open-source security standards for AI. Notable absences from the alliance include OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, who continue to prioritize proprietary, closed-source models. Huang's core argument is that security professionals cannot rely on black box systems. Effective defense requires tools that can be inspected, modified, and run locally without depending on an external corporation. The Alliance's primary initiative is the NOAA framework. It provides developers with the tools to audit their own models for data poisoning and adversarial attacks, ensuring transparency throughout the development lifecycle. By prioritizing transparency, these organizations are betting that a community-driven defense will be more resilient than proprietary secrets. As the software evolves, the physical perimeter is moving into orbit. Amazon's Project Kuiper has announced plans to deploy over 5,000 satellites to create a space-based internet network. This direct-to-cell technology bypasses traditional hardware, turning every unmodified smartphone into a potential satellite uplink, expanding the network into unreachable territory. Simultaneously, the financial perimeter is shifting. Major asset managers like Franklin Templeton and BlackRock are now backing the Clarity Act to establish a formal regulatory framework for digital assets. The involvement of these institutional giants indicates that digital assets have become a permanent component of the global financial system, requiring the same level of oversight as traditional markets. From low Earth orbit to the core of Wall Street, the surface area we have to protect is growing faster than our current defensive tools were designed to handle. The convergence of specialized AI, global satellite internet, and institutional digital finance is creating a vast new field of vulnerability. Shipping new technology is becoming increasingly dependent on whether that technology can be effectively secured. If the risk of a compromised model outweighs the benefit of the innovation, development will stall. An organization can build the most advanced AI system in the world, but as ENC Forge demonstrates, That system is a liability if its core weights can be erased or held for ransom. Defensive maturity is now a requirement for survival. The most successful organizations of the next decade will be those that integrate protection into the very foundation of their development.